Hey y'all, so as you guys can see in the title, your girl is where? In Spain. We in Malaga, Spain. Me and Bestie. She's in the bathroom getting dressed. We are about to go to the beach to go get some food. I couldn't record much in the airport because, again, like I said, my camera has died and I just didn't feel like pulling out my phone, but you gotta do what you gotta do at this point. So this is the outfit of the day. Yeah, and that's Bestie right there. Hey, Bestie. So yeah, we're about to go grab us some food. I want to show you guys a tour of the Airbnb, and we're going straight to the beach. So bye guys. Oh yeah, y'all, I never showed y'all how the money looks out here. It's so pretty. Alright, our first shop down Cleo in Spain. Okay, ready? Shop. Oh, our food. That was quick. Thank you. Good. Thank you. Okay, ready? This is like, cheers to Spain. Let's see this shit. That's pretty good. Y'all, we made it back to the Airbnb. We trying to find out. We're trying to find a club with hookah in Spain and see how they get down. I'm a little lit right now because that lady was pouring too much into my drink, but it is what it is. See, I think I'm about to take a nap, maybe, because they saying the clubs don't open till 10, so we're about to do that. So see y'all in the next clip. We had a good time on the beach. Other than that, that's it. That's all I can say. Spain owing us a little bit, but not too much. You feel me? So see y'all when we find something. If not, then yeah. This is good morning, YouTube. On today's agenda, today we're going to this brunch spot. It's called Brunch It. Then we're going to go later on in the day to a boat ride. It's like a sunset boat ride, and I'm truly excited. I can't wait. Said that we get to see dolphins, and it's a live DJ, and you know, we get to drink. If not, then we might want to go get a bottle. But yeah, y'all, so my bestie went to go get her other friend that is attending this trip as well. So while she do that, I'm about to start getting ready and getting dressed, and I'm gonna show y'all the outfit of the day. And then I believe we're gonna go to the club to see what Spain got to offer. So stay tuned. So yeah, guys, I'll see you back in the next clip, and ciao. So we are now getting finished up and for brunch. It's so pretty out here. Like, hold on. Like, be for real. We about to go to Brunch It, and then we have reservations for a boat ride at 7 30 p.m. It's already like 1 something. So it's like once we get down there, it's like, so fit check. White dress.
Original girl, you want a replica? No. Smoothie, no regular. No. Make it for real, I'm pretty on my cellular. No. You won't sell your hot. No.
That is it today. The sun is out. Of course, you guys gonna have pictures. About to call the Uber and go on our way. See ya.
With the drama, unless you come in with the commas. Oh, DJ turn the sound up, cause we about to pour the rounds up. Jump. You know what up to make it jump. Rock it up. You know what up to make it jump. You know what up to make it jump. Rock it up. You know what up to make it.
Only gotta make a call and I'm here. I'm the one that know your vibe, oh yeah. Listen to me, I put some carrots in your head. Make a stitch up, I want to in the room. Wanna give D, I serve it like a dealer. You been out there, I'm digging in the middle. I'm making your word, it can feel no winner. Look at my picture, I'm polarized. Shit tough, you know what. Have the street feeling like sirloin. Told the chauffeur, take it, shit, now stop. Have a play with you, be a war.
Like a bike, oh. Do the things you know I like, oh. I'm the man in my hands, oh. You're the one that's not pretend, cause I'm too good, drink too strong.
Y'all, we're ordering from KFC. Okay, let me see. Let's see bestsellers. Chicken strips. Oh, I'm on 3 strips, large. Medium. Okay, bye y'all. We gotta skin it. Y'all, we are trying KFC. This is really good. It's really good. Let me order. I know. Can you know? Oh, chance. Ooh, wait a minute.
You want to, girl, I know you want to. I know you want to, girl, I know you want to. Yeah. She keep giving me look.
Good morning, YouTube. We went to 2 clubs. One club was a Afrobeat club, and the other one was I don't even know what type of club that was, but it was just so hot, y'all. We are about to go back to that restaurant that we went to last time because the girl who came with us, she didn't get to experience like we did, so that's what we're about to do. And then we're gonna go to a beach club, and then I don't know if we're gonna go out again. Everyone else is burnt out. So yeah, I'll see y'all when we get ready. See ya.
We the best music. DJ Cat.
I hope you know I'm for the tagging. You know this cookies for the bagging. Kitty, baby, get her things to rest. Cause you done beat it like the 68 Jets. Diamonds is nothing when I'm rockin' with ya. Diamonds is nothing when I'm shining with ya. Just keep it white and black as if I'm your sister. I'm too hip to hop around town, I hit with ya.
I heard that pussy for the taking. I heard it got these other niggas going crazy. Yeah, I treat you like a lady. Fuck you till you burned out, cremation. Make it cream, yeah, Wu-Tang. Throw that ass back, okay. Call me and I can get it Tuesday. I can tell you gone off the doors.
I hope you know I'm for the tagging. You know this cookies for the bagging.
I heard that pussy for the taking. I heard it got these other niggas going crazy.
I hope you know I'm for the tagging. You know this cookies for the bagging.
Yeah, I treat you like a lady. Fuck you till you burned out, cremation.
I know
Fuck you till you burned out, cremation. Careful, mama, why what you say? You talking to be like your new babe. You talking like you trying to do things. Now that pipe gotta run it like she Usain, baby. You made me drown in it, ooh, touche, baby. I'm carrying that water, Bobby Boucher, baby. And you know I'm slaughter like I'm tasting. That's the way you got it on safety.
I don't know if you could take a beer up. I'm too to do.
Y'all, we is tipsy. We's having a good time. We about to go back to the crib, go get some food, and I don't know. We might go to the club, we might not. Who knows? But Max Beach don't owe us a thing. I'm gonna see y'all when we back in the crib. Bye. Alright guys, so this is our last shot in Spain. Well, my last shot. My bestie head is hurt, so she doesn't want to take a shot right now, so it's okay. She's drinking agua. But this is our last shot in Spain. We shed tears, we had moments, no regrets when we came here. All fun, shed tears, love, laugh, 10 out of 10 trip. So, Don Julio at the Julio. That's a shot. One last view for the people. Bye, Spin. Alright, bye, guys. Well, guys, it's time to go. The Hannah Montana. It's time to say goodbye, Spain. One last look at the. Oh. Goodbye. This won't be the last time you see me, Spain. It's time to go back to the States. See you guys.
It's about that time. I'm gonna tell you what's on my mind.
We're closing Spain out, guys. Bestie, Michelle, we're going. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you guys in the USA. Bye. Y'all, guess what? Guess who's stuck in Spain? And guess who didn't have a charger and had to walk? Guys, still in Spain. More details when I get back into the hotel. I so totally forgot to record what happened. So many people have been calling me, asking me, oh, what happened? Okay, so what happened was my flight was it was boarding at 8:45 and I was supposed to leave at 9:30. I'm at the gate or whatever, so they told us that, hey, we're gonna do a 15-minute delay. I'm like, okay, cool, that's nothing. And so then we get to the part where it's like keep getting pushed back. So I got pushed back for an hour, and then once I got pushed back for an hour, I went to sleep in the airport. I was so tired, y'all. Like I went to sleep like another hour or two. Yeah, so I'm sleeping at the airport and I get a notification. I'm just hearing like, oh. So I wake up and find out that the flight had got canceled. So I'm like, oh my gosh, like there's no way I'm stuck here in Spain. Like that's the only flight. Spain only has one flight out. I'm like, okay, just go ahead with the next thing, go book the hotel and see about, getting on to like the next flight in the morning. Make sure that you're able to get on the next flight. The lady told me that I should be able to get on. It's a lot of seats open, So fingers crossed tomorrow. I will update you guys tomorrow of what happened. It's not gonna be too long of an ending. So once I get on the flight, I'll, close the vlog out and call it a day. So see you guys.
They say time is, she can't see her life without me, she's so blasted.